The Hoya Linearis is certainly one of the most eye-catching and stunning Hoya varieties. They're known for their long, elongated leaves, and they really do give this beautiful trailing appearance. In terms of lighting, like most Hoya varieties, they do require lots and lots of bright light. Medium light is alright, however bright light will encourage them to flower. Hoyas are known for their flowers, and the Linearis does have a particularly eye-catching bloom. In terms of watering, because Hoya do hold some moisture in their leaves, you can let the plant dry out almost all the way. However, if you are underwatering, you will notice that their leaves do become slightly wrinkled. Hoyas are such a rewarding houseplant to own, especially when they bloom. However, as you can see, even when they aren't in bloom, they are absolutely stunning. I highly suggest you get this guy in your collection.